Caldas is one of the 32 departments that, together with Bogotá, the capital district from Republic of Colombia. Its capital is Manizales. It is located in the center of country. In the Andean region bordering Antioquia to the north, Boyacá to the northeast, Cundinamarca to the west, and Tolima and Risaralda to the south. It's the fifth least expensive ahead of Risaralda, Atlántico, Quindío, and San Andrés and Providencias. It belongs to the coffee oasis Paisa region. It was created in 1905.
Water pollution refers mainly to the alteration of the water quality of surface bodies, rivers, streams, wetlands, lagoons, and canals, due to the effect of liquid discharge and disposal of solid waste generated to a great extent by homes, for residential use and agricultural activities. Air pollution is especially related to events ambient air pollution caused by the emission of gas from mobile sources, such as land transport of people and manufacturing industries of different nature. The mismanagement of solid waste is specifically associated with the incorrect disposal of conventional waste in public space, what generate other environment problems such as water, air pollution, and soil degradation.
The problems and impacts that the inhabitants of Caldas have caused to the environment. Farmers have increased areas for crops and livestock. Several illegal crops have also been recorded. Industries have polluted the environment with their mining waste. They have built hydroelectric plants that affected water sources. Citizens have increased the construction for residents of the resident complexes. Farming has used chemicals harmful to the environment, polluting the air and water. Citizens have not protected natural resources, leaving them in the bankrupt.
The governor has to follow up on the action plan established to protect the environment. Other is the Ministry of Environment and Sustainable Development has to generate and implement an action road for all areas of the department. For example, cleaning bridges. Other is in the old houses of the department they should use reducible products to reduce pollution. And the other is in the old houses of the department they should join environmental protection groups to road promote culture, care, and importance of nature.
Below, my colleagues and I will make proposals to help environment in Caldas. Inhabitants Department of Caldas should attend talks on how to reduce environment pollution. The leaders of Department of Caldas have to implement specific sites for the collection of garbage. People in their homes should learn to reuse and recycle raw materials to make new things and thus mitigate the contamination in the apartment. The person in your home should look for a lower cost of materials that cannot be reused and thus contribute to the decrease in the contamination of the department of Caldas.
The Caldas community must ensure the protection of natural resources. This will allow them to guarantee better living conditions for their community. The authorities of Caldas should exercise greater control over illicit crops that are developed in the most rural parts of the department of Caldas. The environmental entity of the department of Caldas should establish more points of the attention where the community should go to communicate activities that harm the environment. The environmental entity of the Department of the Caldas should seek to ally with the Secretary of the Education. They should develop a pedagogical model more focused on the protection of the environment.